for 4022. Where's 4022? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's down there. Vlogception over here.
What's up? Freaking floor 40.
What? Hey!
Yo!
This is freaking lit.
This is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude,
oh!
What does it say?
Welcome to the Harris Hotel Las Vegas, TheMungBros.
What?
Oh!
What?
Yo! You never had that before.
Congratulations!
Alright, so now we at the UPS store. What are we doing, Mike?
We're getting some freaking baller logos.
You mean decals?
Some baller decals.
Yo, so we have the highly explosive one right here. The stock TNT.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, because we can't just make the firework and not put any decals on it, man. We have to have like...
We have to like warn these people. Yo guys, the firework is done. Check it out. Banging.
It's gonna be a banger, literally.
Are you gonna bang her literally?
Why do you think we're in Vegas, dog?
Hey, that's what's up, cuz.
Yo, so what's going on, boys? We are here live at the strip, guys. We are about to get into some problems because we have a huge firework that's not really a firework, but they don't know, guys. So it's gonna be hella lit. Physically, I mean not physically, literally, it's literally gonna be lit, guys.
Yo guys, we're here with the freaking banger. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna drop some bangers in the bar!
Alright guys, so we went out there to film it. We couldn't even get as many reactions as we wanted. Like the security guy told us to leave, but you know, we still tried to light it up, but we couldn't. So we got some help, as you guys saw, from some, you know, homies that we don't even know. They lit it up and we just had to like, you know, act quick. And right after that, we were just leaving and like the freaking security and some guy in the tux were just following us. So
I know, dude.
we had to leave, guys. Freaking shout out to Grant.
Hell yeah.
For filming.
Yeah.
Y'all should check out his channel in the link below.
Hey.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, please smash that like button, guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, guys. It really means a lot to us. We'll catch you guys later on Tuesdays and Fridays now, guys.
Yo.